Hello guys, in this video we'll be looking into the unit import data from the module data management. Okay, let's look at the hands-on challenge. So to complete this challenge, let's launch the Trailhead playground in a new tab. And once the tab has opened, let's split screen. And let's resize our windows. Okay, I have already downloaded the CSV file, so make sure you download the file as well. Let's quickly jump into the setup from the settings icon. Let's wait for the page to load. And let's search for data import. And we'll find data import wizard, click on that. Once you are on the data import wizard, let's click on launch wizard. And as shown in the challenge, let's select accounts and contacts. And let's click on add new records and match contact by name. Here, let's select the CSV option and upload the file which we have downloaded earlier. And then check the other options for character code and click on next. So let's map the unmapped over here. So for F name, let's map F name over here to first name. Let's search for first name. It's easier to type in the field, so make sure you do that. We found it. First name, map, and let's map the L name to last name and map, and let's map the final one, cell, to mobile. That's perfect, and let's map it. Once you have mapped all the three of them, let's click on next. And we have 0 unmapped fields and we have 6 mapped fields. And let's click on start import. Our import has started and it should be done pretty soon. It looks like our import has completed. So let's quickly check our challenge if we have done this one right. So I hope you have completed your challenge as well by now. If you have any questions, please leave the questions in the comments below and I'll try to answer them. See you in the next video. Bye bye.